Second try. So first, take a look at this. It's a model of me with some balls, some 6-7 atoms arranged in a ring overall, which is conveniently known as cyclohexanol. If you take the 6 carbons and rotate them around, you'll notice quite quickly they're flush with the ground.
These carbons don't like being smushed together, so they form a chair, and it doesn't matter whether you put the first carbon on the bottom or the top, because if you do, a ring flips what you've got.
The most stable chair of cyclohexanol is the one with the alcohol doesn't bother at all, and you can tell with a look at this space that the alcohol group fits right into place.
The interesting thing about cyclohexanol is it doesn't care what it reacts with at all. It's elimination and some substitution, all depending on the solution.
To begin, let's take some HPO4 and you'll end up with some water, which you've probably seen before. This is a synthesis of cyclohexane with some variants of mechanics all in between. If you follow me over here to the chemulation station, we'll get started on some very fine elimination.
I'm gonna hate this one when I end this. Ladies and gents, for some basic contemplation, we're going to start a cyclic dehydration, and to do that, we're going to need to explore the solution we made with H2PO4.
To make cyclohexane, we're going to need for the alcohol group to leave to proceed to the next step, and this concedes the alcohol feel its electrophilic needs. To do that, our acid loses hydrogen, which then infuses to the alcohol, which gains a plus above its head, which makes it positively positive instead.
Then this little bond right here decides it likes the weather up there and leaves, which leaves in its place a positive to occupy that empty space.
After all that, the hydrogen next door firmly decides that it's lonely once more.
It dashes to our hunky-looking acid, which leaves its electrons sitting quite placid. These electrons move to the positive instead and form a brand new pi bond overhead.
And with the drama that's taking place, our lovely cyclohexane appears in the space. Chinchilla, Chinchilla. This is the part of the rap where we speak softly, because we think it sounds better, or maybe it's all me. Now, I know you want to see more animated paper, but I'm afraid you're all going to have to wait until later. Now, we did this whole thing on my laptop, so the audio might just be a tad messed up, and we were going to rap about all kinds, but I'm afraid we all just ran out of time. Done. I wonder if that worked out.